Let's make a soft and chocolatey mug cake, quick, easy, and perfect for cravings. Add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour into your mug. Now add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix all the dry ingredients well. Pour in 3 tablespoons of milk. Mix until the batter is smooth and glossy. Add a cube of chocolate on top. Place the mug carefully into the microwave and cook for 90 seconds. And here's your soft, gooey chocolate mug cake, ready to enjoy.